Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today I wanted to go over the differences between the carrier T-Mobile variant of the OnePlus 6T and the unlocked OnePlus 6T that you can purchase directly from OnePlus.com or .net. Sorry. The very first difference in the OnePlus 6T purchase from T-Mobile is the fact that it is carrier locked to T-Mobile, and the only way to get it unlocked is you can wait 40 days and have the device paid off. So you have to pay it off, and it has to be active on the network for 40 days. Now, some people are able to get around this and are able to have T-Mobile unlock them if they purchased them in full, which I did, and I was able to have T-Mobile unlock mine. I know some people are having issues with T-Mobile saying you have to wait the 40 days, which is their official policy, but some people, like I said, are able to get them unlocked depending on who you talk to. Second, with that T-Mobile locked variant, your OEM, your bootloader is locked, and it comes locked. And the two things you have to do to unlock it are you have to have your device carrier unlocked, and then you have to request your unlock code, which could take up to 1 to 2 weeks. So if you want to do any kind of third-party software, custom ROMs, or anything like that on this model, you will have to wait a period of time and go through some extra steps. Then if you purchase the unlocked model from OnePlus, everything comes unlocked and you can install custom ROMs as you want to. Next thing is that the updates come from T-Mobile. So when OnePlus releases an update, it has to go through T-Mobile and get approved before T-Mobile pushes the update, whereas the unlocked OnePlus version, you get the update as soon as OnePlus releases it. So there is a delay in updates, your phone is carrier locked, and your bootloader is locked. Those are really the only major differences. Another one is the SIM card. It only has one IMEI and only supports one SIM card, so there is no dual SIM option on the T-Mobile version. You cannot add a dual SIM card tray to add that functionality because the phone only has one IMEI. Everything else is about the same. You do get a T-Mobile boot screen, but other than that, the apps are minimal. You only get a few T-Mobile apps such as Name ID, which can be uninstalled, the T-Mobile app, which cannot be uninstalled, and visual voicemail, which can be uninstalled. You will also get the unlock app for carrier unlocking the device. My app isn't on there because I've already unlocked my device, so that deletes when that is done. Those are the differences between T-Mobile and the unlocked variant of the OnePlus 6T. This is Colin with Techout. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments section below. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.